2025 Mercedes V-Class Overview. Introduction. The 2025 Mercedes V-Class takes luxury and versatility to a whole new level. As the latest iteration of the renowned V-Class family, this van offers a blend of sophistication, technology, and practicality, making it the ideal choice for families, businesses, and adventure seekers alike. With its sleek modern design, advanced features, and powerful performance, the 2025 V-Class is engineered to stand out in both comfort and style. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes V-Class delivers a dynamic driving experience. Equipped with a range of powerful and efficient engines, including both petrol and diesel options, the V-Class ensures smooth acceleration and responsive handling. The integration of the latest in Mercedes-Benz's 4MATIC all-wheel drive system and advanced suspension technology guarantees enhanced stability and comfort on various terrains. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on long road trips, the V-Class offers a refined and confident performance that meets the demands of any journey. Exterior design. The exterior of the 2025 V-Class is a masterclass in modern design, combining elegance with practicality. The bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines create a commanding presence on the road. Aerodynamic elements not only improve the van's efficiency but also add to its stylish look, while the wide range of alloy wheel designs ensures customization options for every taste. Whether you're parking in a crowded city or cruising along a scenic route, the V-Class exudes sophistication with every glance. Interior design. Step inside, and the 2025 V-Class is a true sanctuary on wheels. The cabin is a luxurious blend of high-quality materials, meticulous craftsmanship, and innovative design. The flexible seating arrangement, which can comfortably accommodate up to 8 passengers, is complemented by spacious legroom, premium upholstery, and advanced climate control systems for an unparalleled in-ride experience. The intuitive infotainment system, including a large touchscreen and voice command capabilities, ensures that every journey is as enjoyable as it is seamless. Whether it's a quick trip or a long haul, the V-Class's interior will keep you and your passengers relaxed and connected. Fuel efficiency. Despite its robust performance capabilities, the 2025 V-Class is designed with fuel efficiency in mind. The latest generation of engines incorporates cutting-edge technologies, such as turbocharging and hybrid options, to optimize fuel consumption without sacrificing power. This makes the V-Class an ideal choice for those who want to combine luxury with economical driving. Whether commuting daily or embarking on long-distance travel, the V-Class offers impressive mileage, reducing your carbon footprint while ensuring you get the most out of every drop of fuel. Outro. The 2025 Mercedes V-Class sets the standard for luxury vans, offering an exceptional driving experience, a refined design, and cutting-edge features. Whether you're seeking the ultimate family vehicle, a business transport solution, or a stylish road trip companion, the V-Class delivers on all fronts. With its perfect balance of performance, design, and efficiency, the 2025 Mercedes V-Class is not just a van, it's a statement of excellence on every journey.